Hey guys, we're looking at the bank Nifty hourly chart and welcome back. Um, let's try and see what the range and trading levels that are expected for Monday, tomorrow, the 18th. As you can see, I'm taking the 6th April high here as my first resistance level, my 5th April high at as the second resistance, and the red lines emanating from these respective resistances are your Gann angle resistance lines. All right, and similarly, I'm taking the 31st March support as S1 around 300. 36 300 is our support, and the white lines are your Gann support lines emanating from S1 going up. Okay, for convenience sake and for to help you guys remember these key levels, I have labeled them. Okay, so you won't miss anything. You won't have to remember what I said. So let's dive right into it. Bank Nifty closed just above its support level of 380. The intersection right here of the R2 resistance and the S1 resistance is your support. We have not tested it um, last week, and we've yet to do that. Okay, so that is our immediate support at 380. If that breaks, which is expected as Bank Nifty is expected to gap down in the morning. So our second support is at 37,160, and if we open below that, our support here is at 36,920. So we would have essentially opened below 37,000 and would test 36,920 at the outset. Okay. Now on the way up, let's have a look at our resistance levels. The first one is right at 500. Okay, very close to where we closed. The next one is the intersection here of R1 and S1 at 610. Okay, and if Bank Nifty trades above that, we are looking at a solid resistance here at 900, 37,900. As you can tell, how my cursor has been placed at 900, that has been the resistance for the last entire week, from the 6th of April till the 13th. Okay, more than a week. So 900 is not expected to break. That would be an that would take something major for Bank Nifty to go above 37,900 on Monday. Okay, so most likely we'll stay below, and I hope Bank Nifty can stay above support 36,920. Okay, however, in the event 36,920 is broken, all right, that is a definite short right there, no question about it. Then we are going all the way down to S1 300. Okay, guys, so that's a 620-point drop right there, which you could make money off on the short side. All right, so keep this in mind, 36,920. All right, if this is not broken, then we're probably looking at a sideways kind of market between 36,900 to 36,400. In case 36,920 holds, we expect the market to go all the way back up towards the 36,380. So again, guys, that's a nearly 500-point move, which you could capitalize. All right, but that depends on if 36, 37, 160, which presently is support, below. If we are trading below that, that would become resistance. Okay, so you have been warned about all the levels. I'm expecting a range Let's quickly talk about the range for Monday. We're looking at a range of from 640 right here on this red line, red resistance line from R2, and a low of 36,920. Right. So we have about a 700-point range that Bank Nifty could trade in on Monday. And if 920 is broken, you know what to do. We're going to 300 S1. I hope this was helpful. I hope these support and resistance labels were convenient for you. I'll try to incorporate them in as many videos as possible as and when I get the time. So, guys, good luck and happy trading. I hope your trades are profitable. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section and I will get back to you. Okay? Take care. See you in the next video.